Hello everybody, so today I will show the answer key ASVAB trial exam. That is number 7. So question number 6. What is the value of 3 multiplied with, open the bracket, 5 minus 3, close the bracket, minus 4 divide, open the bracket, minus 2 plus 3 multiplied with 2, close the bracket. So in this question, they will use about the P math in here. This is very important because many ASVAB they will use the P math on the test. And in here, we will see that we have the capital P. Capital P is about parentheses. That's why we will do the number inside the parentheses first, so that we can find the number very simple. So in the first parenthesis, we can see only 5 minus 3, and we go, let's see about number 2. 5 minus 3 is about 2. The next one. In the parentheses, we have the multiplication, that's a capital M in here. So that we do the multiplication first. Three multiplied with 2 is about 6. And then minus 2 plus 6 is about 4. So now we will do about division first. 4 divided by 4 is about 1. Then 3 multiplied with 2 is about 6. 6 minus 1 is about 5. So the answer is about D. Question number 7. If 3x plus 2 equals 5, then find the value of 3x over 5. So now we have the equation 3x plus 2 equal to 5. So we have the equation in here. So we move number 2 on the right. Because we move number 2 on the right, we have the minus 2 in here, because when we move the positive number to the right over the equal sign, they will change to the negative number. So we got about 3x equal to 3. 5 minus 2 is about 3. Then we divide both sides with number 3. Because we want to eliminate the number next to the s in here, so you got about s equal to 1. So we have 3s over 5, and we got about 3 multiplied with 1 divided by 5, like this, and you got about 3 over 5. And the answer for question is about A. Question number 8. There are 330 apples in here. The ratio of apple and orange is 1/10. How many orange are there? So now let's see about the ratio question. And we have 300 apples, and we have the ratio between the apple and orange is about 1 portion of apple, and we have 10 portions of orange. So because 1 is for apple, 10 for the orange, so that we have the ratio 1 and 10 in here. So now they ask about how many orange in here. So we have the ratio for to calculate how many orange in here. So we have 230 multiplied with 10, and the one with the question mark, they multiply together. So this is the way we do about the ratio, and we got about 330 multiplied with number 10, and the question mark multiply with number 1. So because question mark multiply with number 1, there's still about the question mark in here. 330 multiplied with 10 is about 3,300. So that's the question mark is about 3,013. So the answer is about D. Question number 9. The rectangular tank is 9 feet long, 6 feet wide, and 12 feet high. What is the volume by cubic yards? So we have the rectangular object. So we have 9 feet long, 6 feet wide, and 12 feet high. So we will do about volume. The volume is about length, width, and height multiply together. So you got about 9, 6, 12 is about 648. And this is about cubic feet. But the question they ask about the yard in here. So to convert the cubic feet, we need to do like this. 1 yard is about 3 feet. But now we have the cubic in here. You need to transform them to about 648. We divide by 3 power 3. So we'll go about 648 divided by 27, and you got about 24 in here. This is the first technique we can do. The second technique, we have feet, 6 feet, and 12 feet. We translate them into like this. 1 yard is about 3 feet. So how many yards? If we have 9 feet in here, so we have number 9, we multiply with number 1, divide by 3, so that you got about 9 divided by 3 in here. And we have 6 feet in here, divide by 3 too, and 12 similar, divide by 3. So that you got about 9 feet, that will become the 3 yard. 6 feet, that will become the 2 yard. 12 feet, they will become the 4 yards. When we multiply together, you got about 6 multiplied with 4, because 3 multiplied with 2 is about 6. 6 multiplied with 4 is about 24. This is the 2 technique you can do like this, and the answer is about 8. Question number 10. The tile has a circumference which is 31.4 feet. What is the diameter of the tile? So we have the tile is about a circle, and we have the circumference is about 31.4. The question they ask about diameter of the circle, so we need to find this way. This is about D in here. So we have the formula of the circumference is about D pi in here. And we have C divided by pi. You got about diameter in here. We know that C is about 31.4, but the pi is about 3.14 in here. So you got about 31 divided by 4, and you 31.4 divided by 3.14, and you got about 10 equal to D. So the answer for the question in here is about A. Question 11. The company discounts 20% of the original t-shirt. What does it $15? The tax rate is 9%. What is the price of the t-shirt after tax? So now we need to find the price of the t-shirt after the discount first. Then we multiply with the tax rate, and that's the t-shirt after tax. So new price. So we have $15 in here, and we multiply with 1 minus 2 discount. This is the formula for the product if we have the discount rate in here. We have 1 minus 2, 20%. And we got about 15 multiplied with 0.8, because 20% is about 0.2. 1 minus 2, 0.2 is about 0.8. Now we do about multiplication. So we got about 1 decimal in here, and the number behind 1 decimal is still the 1 number. So that we will put like this. We just multiply just like the normal number. After we got result, we put the decimal back. A multiplied 5 is about 0. A with 1 is about 12. And we put the decimal in here, so you got about 12. 15 multiplied with 0.8 is about 12. Because if we got about 120, and we put the decimal in here, and you got about 12, that's why we got about $12 in here. The next one, after tax, you got about 12 multiplied with 1 plus the tax rate. This is the formula for the after tax with the price multiplied 1 plus the tax rate. And you got about 12. 1 plus 9. You got about 12 in here, and multiply with 1.09. This 9% is about 0.09. That's why we got about 1.09. And we do about multiplication. Or maybe put like this. We see that there are 2 numbers behind the decimal, so that after we got the result, we put the decimal back to the result with 2 numbers. So now we eliminate the decimal, and we multiply the number. 2 with 9 is about 18. 2 with 1 is about 2. 1 multiplied with 109, we got about 109 in here. So that you got about 8,009 plus 1 is about 10, and we got about 1 in here, so we got about 13. So we have 1308, but we have the decimal in the behind two number, so you put the decimal in the result with the two number in here. So the answer for the question in here is about the